At first glance, one can mistake the TicWatch GTH for the Apple Watch, but if you look closely, you'll realize that, okay, this isn't the Apple Watch. Hello everyone, I'm Ania from Mr. Phone, and for the past few days, I've been testing the TicWatch GTH, a smartwatch that comes at an affordable price, offers a decent set of features, and has excellent build quality. So I'll be giving you all the details about this smartwatch in this review, but let me also tell you that we are giving away the TicWatch GTH to one lucky viewer. So if you want to win this, then definitely watch this video until the very end. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so that you stay on top of all our latest updates. The build quality of the TicWatch GTH has to be one of the key things that impressed me a lot. So this watch comes in this metal casing that gives it a premium vibe when you hold it, or of course when you wear it on your wrist. Even the side button reminds somewhat of the digital crown on the Apple Watch, minus the glossy finish, but this button's function is to simply go back and forth between the menu and home when you press it. Turn the watch around and you see the sensors along with the magnetic pins for the proprietary charger. As for the charging times, this watch takes about 2 hours to fully charge the 260 mAh battery inside. In terms of battery life, the company claims that a single charge can last you about 10 days. In my case, I was actually able to hit 9 days on a single charge before the watch died. And do note that during this time, the watch was constantly connected to the phone, the notifications were on, the brightness was on maximum, and so on. Apart from this, even the silicone straps are of decent quality and come with a stainless steel clasp, and yeah, the straps are interchangeable. Okay, coming to the front, you get a 1.55-inch TFT color display, and the bezels around the display are thick, no denying that, and almost every other smartwatch in this price segment has the thick bezel problem, so not a big deal. In terms of actual display quality, while I don't mind how things look head-on generally, I was a little underwhelmed with the screen brightness. First, there's no auto brightness, and so during this whole time that I used this watch, the brightness has been on 4, which is the highest you can set. In terms of software and features, this is the RTOS platform, which isn't loaded to the brim but does come with the necessary features. And about the pairing process, all you need is the Mobvoi app installed on your iPhone or your Android phone, and I hope that I'm pronouncing Mobvoi correctly. Mobvoi or Mobvoi. Okay. So this app basically gives you all your health tracking details in one place. In terms of features and functionality, the TicWatch can do sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, stress level monitoring, skin temperature monitoring, and more. In this app, if you go to the smart mode under devices, you'll see the toggles to auto-run the available health features. As for the watch operation, first of all, the touch response is okay, not so bad, not so good. Anyway, a swipe left or right from the home screen shows you the widgets. A swipe up from the bottom shows you the notifications. Sadly, you can just read them and not interact with them. A swipe down from the top reveals quick toggles, and finally, long press on the home screen to switch watch faces on the device. So you hit the side button and you'll be taken to the menu, which is pretty bare bones. Even the settings menu for that matter only has options for restoring, powering off, and adjusting brightness. Besides that, Tic Exercise shows you the 14 available sports mode on offer, and Tic Health is where you find options to manually track your pulse, your respiration rate, your oxygen levels, your skin temperature, and your stress levels. By the way, here's a quick demo of the TicWatch GTH going against a pulse oximeter. So first we'll be doing a quick heart rate monitoring test. Okay, cool, this is very accurate. And next we'll be monitoring the SpO2 as well. Again, pretty close. So generally, in terms of tracking health and fitness data, the TicWatch GTH was fairly accurate. Overall, I have no complaints. Finally, let's do a quick stress test as well, and at the time of recording this video, I was pretty relaxed, and so see for yourself how the watch fared. And yeah, measuring stress is a little time-taking process which takes about 3 minutes. And so the result is relaxed, and this is what I told you guys a few moments ago. So yeah. As for the watch faces, you get about 73 of them that you can find on the Moboi app on your phone. I actually counted the watch faces, to be honest. And you also get a separate tab to create a customized watch face. By the way, the TicWatch GTH is 5 ATM water resistant, so you can actually wear it while swimming and that shouldn't be an issue. At a price of 4,799 rupees, the TicWatch GTH keeps things simple, yet you get everything that's needed in a smartwatch. Of course, the watch UI or even the companion app looks bare bones when it comes to features, but as I said, all the important stuff that you need on a smartwatch or a fitness wearable is present here. Wear sports mode, check. Health tracking features including blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, heart rate, etc. check. Ample amount of watch faces, check. 5 ATM water resistance, check. Two things that could have been slightly better on this watch are the brightness, that is one, and the other one being the snappier performance across the UI. But otherwise, on a whole, the TicWatch GTH gets an easy recommendation if you're looking for something that is simple to operate yet is functional. And if you've made it to this point of the video and you wish to be the lucky viewer who gets to win the TicWatch GTH, then all you need to do is to like this video and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel. Along with that, make sure to follow us on all our social handles that present on your screens right now. The social handles are also present in the description below. And finally, leave a comment below with your Instagram and Twitter ID so that we can contact you. So that's it for now. I wish you all very good luck. The winner of this giveaway will be announced next week on Monday, so definitely keep an eye on our Twitter and please follow the exact rules in order to qualify. So that was my review of the TicWatch GTH. I'll catch you guys in the very next one. Thank you for watching.